Hello students, we are doing chapter number 16 mensuration exercise 16.1. In today's video we will start from question number 5. The base of a right angle triangle is 12 cm and its hypotenuse is 13 cm long. Find its area and perimeter. So to find its area and perimeter we need third side. So first with the help of Pythagoras theorem we will calculate this third side. So by Pythagoras theorem, base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square. Base is 12, height we have to calculate, and hypotenuse is 13. 144 plus height square is equal to 169. So height square equal to 169 minus 144 equal to 25. So height we are getting here 5 centimeter. So this height we got 5 centimeter. Now we can calculate its area and perimeter. So area we can use here height half base into height formula. Base is 12 and height is 5. Cancel out 6 5 30 centimeter square. And for perimeter, sum of all four sides. So one side is 12, then another 13 and 5. 12 plus 13 25 plus 5 30 centimeter. Next question number 6. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose side is 8 meter. Give your answer in 2 decimal place. So area of an equilateral triangle you can find out with direct equilateral triangle area formula, or you can use Heron's formula here. So area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. I am using direct formula. Root 3 value is 1.732. A is 8. A square means 8 into 8 by 4. 4 to 8 you can cancel out and multiply all these number. 27.712 meter square we are getting. We have to give our answer into 2 decimal. So we will see the third place. This is less than 5. So we will leave like this only, 27.71 meter square. Next question number 7. If the area of an equilateral triangle is 81 root 3 centimeter square, find its perimeter. So area of an equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 a square, which is equal to 81 root 3. So root 3 from both the side you can cancel out. A square is equal to 81 into 4. 81 is the square of 9 and 4 is square of 2. So if we leave the square, a value we are getting 9 into 2, 18 centimeter. So one side is 18 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter will be 3a because this is an equilateral triangle. So 3 into 18, 54 centimeter. Next question number 8. If perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 36 centimeter, calculate its area and height. So with the help of perimeter, first we will find out side because it is an equilateral triangle. So all three sides will be equal. So perimeter will be 3a equal to 36. So a will come 36 by 3 equal to 12 centimeter. So one side is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we can find out area. Area is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4, 12 into 12. You can cancel out. 4 3s are 36 root 3 centimeter square is its area. And if you substitute root 3 value, then answer we are getting 62.354 centimeter square, which you can round it off. 62.36 you can write. Then next you have to find out its height also. So for height again we will use area formula, half base into height. Area already we have calculated 62.36, which is equal to half Base we can take any one side 12 into height. 2 it will cancel 6 times, so height is equal to 62.36 upon 6. With 6 table you can cancel out 610, then 6 3 9. So 10.39 centimeter will be its height. Next question number 9th, first part. If the length of the sides of a triangle are in ratio 3:4:5 and its perimeter is 48, find its area. So first we will take, let sides are 3x, 4x and 5x. Because its perimeter is given 48, so we can write 3x plus 4x plus 5x. Sum of all three sides will be equal to 48. So 12x is equal to 48. So x value will be 48 by 12, 4 centimeter. So therefore sides are 3 into 4 12, 4 into 4 16 and 5 into 4 20 centimeter. Now we will find out its semi perimeter. So S is half of perimeter. Perimeter already it is given 48 by 2, 24. Now we can find out its area. Area is equal to root of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. 24 minus 12, 24 minus 16 and 24 minus 20. 12, then 8 and then 4. 24 we can write 2 into 12. This 12 leaving as it is, and 4 we can write 2 into 4. So all the numbers are in pair. 12 is in pair, 4 is in pair and 2 is also in pair. So we are getting 2 into 12 into 4. And then we can multiply these number. After multiplication, 2 into 4 8, 12 8 are 96 centimeter square. Next, second part of question number 9. The sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300. Find its area. So this is also similar question. We will take, let sides are 3x, 5x and 7x. So perimeter is given 300. 3x plus 5x plus 7x will be equal to 300. 3 plus 5 8 plus 7 15x is equal to 300. It means x value is 300 by 15 20. So we will get sides now. Sides will be 3 into 20 60 and 5 into 20 100 and 7 into 20 140 meter. Now we'll calculate S. S will be the half semi perimeter. Perimeter is 300 divided with 2, so 150 we are getting S. So area is equal to root of SS minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Substitute values 150, 150 minus 60, 150 minus 100 and 150 minus 140. So here we are getting 150 into 90 into 50 and into 10. We can split it out. 150 we can write 3 into 50. 90 we can write 3 into 3 into 10 and 50 as it is, and this 10 also as it is. So these 3 are in pair, we can take it out. 50 is also in pair, we can take out, and 10 is also in pair. And we have root 3. So 3 into 5 150, into 100 1500, and root 3 value you can substitute, and after multiplication can find out our answer. Round off answer we will calculate. So after rounding off we are getting 2598 meter square. Next we have question number 10. ABC is a triangle in which AB is equal to AC 4 cm and angle A is 90 degree. Calculate its area and also find the length of perpendicular from A to BC. So because it is a right angle triangle, so here half base into height formula we can use. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half base into height. One side we can take as base, another one as height. So half 4 into 4, 8 centimeter square we are getting. Now we have to find out the length of this perpendicular. For that we need this third side. Then again we will use area formula. So this third side, with the help of Pythagoras theorem we can calculate. So by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. BC square is equal to 4 square plus 4 square, 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. So BC will be root of 32, which you can write 4 root 2 centimeter. Now again area formula we will use to find out the perpendicular. Area is equal to half base into height. Now height, this height we are taking, and base we are taking for BC. So area already we have calculated 8. This is equal to half, and base is 4 root 2 into height. 2 you can cancel out. So height will be 8 by 2 root 2. You can rationalize it. Multiply with root 2 up and down. So you will get 4 root 2 by 2. Cancel out 2 root 2. And this root 2 value we can substitute 1.41, and after multiplication 2.82 centimeter will be the height according to BC. Next we have question number 11. Find the area of an isosceles triangle whose equal sides are 12, 12 and perimeter is 30. So first we will calculate the third side. Let third side, if I am taking as A, in that case perimeter is given 30. So 12 plus 12 and plus A is equal to 30. So A value we will get 30 minus 24 equal to 6 centimeter. So third side we are getting 6. Now we have to find out area. First S value we will calculate. Semi perimeter 30 by 2, 15 we are getting. So area is equal to, here you can use directly isosceles triangle formula, or you can use Heron's formula, whichever you are able to recall that time, that you can use. Area of triangle is equal to root of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. 15 minus 12, or you can take 6, 15 minus 12 and 15 minus 12. 15 into 9 into 3 into 3. So 9 is the square of 3. 3 we can take out. Again one more 3 we will take, and root 15 value we can substitute. So root 15 calculate with long division, or you can check directly from the table. Up to 2 decimal place we will do. So before 15, 3 is the perfect square. 3 3 is 9. 6, then take 2 zeros down, do the double of 3, 6, and it will go nearly 8 times. 8 8 64, 6 carry over, 48 and 6 54. Again 2 more zeros, and then do the double of 3876, then it will go nearly 7 times. So up to 2 decimal I am calculating 3.87. Now multiply all these numbers. We are getting 34.83 centimeter square. So in this video we are doing till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.